in case you are wondering how can you install a new font so that you can use it in Inkscape. The good news is Inkscape does not actually require any special way of installing a font. When you can install the font in whichever system that you are in and you go to Inkscape, it will be there. But I still show us how to do it in Windows. So let's say that I normally use this web page, that is darfont.com, to get some fonts, but because of copyright regulations, I would suggest, if you are using it for anything, maybe it's better to use the take here public domain. I mean, you can use for free, but for free you have to be careful because maybe it has some restrictions for personal use, donation, or shareware. You have these options here. So I take the public domain, and then I want to, since we are getting to Christmas, I want to download this. So what you can do is just come here and then you download as you would download any file. I've already downloaded mine. Okay, now so let's assume that you've downloaded your file. You have what you want. It normally comes in a zip file. So after you are in the zip file, you just right click it and then say extract all, and then this will give you the path that you want, or it will suggest the path, because the font, it suggests that it should be stored in Christmas tree. If you don't want that and you don't like the path that is chosen, you just change it. I want it here, so I just say that and you say extract. I've already downloaded it, so when you come here, this is what you will get. And then when you go open it, you see that it depends on the font you are downloading. Sometimes it has many options, but it doesn't matter. You just click and select all the options. You can go to shift and select all the options with the left mouse, or right click to get all the options here. You select it and then you right click again, and then you say install for all users. Careful, if you use only install, sometimes people say it doesn't work for them. So it's important that you use install for all users. And then when you come here, because I have already installed it, I don't need anything other than that. You say it will just show you this box, and then you just install it, but I have already installed it. Now after installing it, you can check whether it's got installed, or when we are there, I'll show you how you can also just put this file there without going through install for all users. By just coming here, you go here, and then you go to your control panel, and then in the control panel you go to appearance and personalization. When you click it, then you go to fonts. When you click that, you see that the fonts will show here. In case you don't do the other way that I said, you right click and just say install for all users, you can just come here. Take the file and drag it in here. You know, I've already installed it, so it's just telling me that, oh, it's already installed. So I would just say no, and it does nothing to it. Other than that, you can find what we installed here. That is the Christmas tree regular. So you can find all the fonts here. Now for you to be able to use this in Inkscape, all you have to do is that you have to start Inkscape anew. In case you have Inkscape already opened, I would suggest that you would close it first, but I already have it installed, so I'm sure it's there because I've been using it. But if it doesn't appear, I would suggest you go back and restart Inkscape anew, and then when you come, you look for the font, which is Christmas tree or whatever font you have, and then now when you go to text, I can write something like Christmas tree, and it's there for you if you want to design it in Inkscape as we normally like, you can give it, maybe let's give it this color. So this is basically how you can introduce a new font in Inkscape, or introduce it to your computer so that you can use it in Inkscape. Thank you for watching. If this helped you in any way, please help me by subscribing to my channel or giving the video a like. Thank you. Bye.